Imagine having the freedom to make choices not based on money problems, but based on your dreams. Many people believe becoming a millionaire requires luck. But research into successful people shows something different. Most millionaires build their wealth through daily habits. The truth is simple. Your habits shape your future. Today, I want to share 7 millionaire habits you can start today, habits that successful people use to grow their wealth, improve their mindset, and create long-term success. 1. Millionaires focus on goals. The first habit is clear goal setting. Successful people don't just hope things will work out. They decide what they want and create a plan to achieve it. Instead of saying, "I want to be rich someday," they say, "I want to save $10,000 in 2 years." Or, "I want to start a business in the next 12 months. When you write down your goals, your brain begins to search for ways to achieve them. So start today. Write 3 financial goals for the next year. 2. Millionaires read and learn every day. Many wealthy people are constant learners. For example, Warren Buffett spends several hours a day reading books, reports, and articles. Knowledge helps them make smarter decisions. You don't need to read for hours. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day can change your mindset and knowledge over time. Good topics to read include personal finance, business leadership, self-development. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. 3. Millionaires control their spending. Another important habit is smart spending. Many people think millionaires buy expensive things all the time. But in reality, many wealthy people live below their means. For example, Thomas Stanley, author of The Millionaire Next Door, found that many millionaires drive normal cars and avoid unnecessary luxury. They understand one important rule. Wealth is not about how much you spend. It is about how much you keep. Start today by tracking where your money goes. 4. Millionaires invest their money. Saving money is important, but investing is what builds wealth. Money sitting in a bank account grows slowly. But when invested, it can grow through compound interest. Investments may include stocks, businesses, real estate, education, and skills. For example, investors like Elon Musk reinvest most of their money into companies and innovation. Even small investments, made consistently, can grow significantly over time. The key habit: start early and stay consistent. 5. Millionaires wake up early and use their time well. Many successful people value time more than money. For example, Tim Cook reportedly wakes up very early to plan his day. Morning routines often include planning the day, exercising, reading, reviewing goals. Why? Because the morning is when your mind is clear and focused. If waking up earlier feels difficult, start with just 30 minutes earlier. 6. Millionaires surround themselves with positive people. Your environment influences your success. If you spend time with people who complain, avoid responsibility, and for risk, becomes harder to. But when you surround yourself with motivated and positive people, you gain new ideas, encouragement, and opportunities. Successful people build strong networks and relationships. As entrepreneur Jim Rohn once said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Choose your circle carefully. 7. Millionaires stay disciplined and consistent. Finally, the most important habit is consistency. Success rarely happens overnight. Even some of the richest entrepreneurs faced failures before succeeding. For example, Jeff Bezos built Amazon slowly over many years before it became one of the biggest companies in the world. Millionaires succeed because they keep learning, keep improving, keep working toward their goals even when progress is slow. Small actions, repeated daily, create massive results over time. Conclusion: becoming a millionaire is not only about money. It is about discipline, mindset, and daily habits. Remember the 7 habits you can start today. Set clear goals, read, and learn daily. Control your spending, invest your money, use your time wisely, build a positive network, stay consistent. You don't need to start big. Start small. Start today. Because the habits you build today will create the success you experience tomorrow. Thank you.